So first, it's best to pull all of your hair to the front of your face just so you can get everything even. And then of course you grab your scissors. You then want to measure where you want to cut. So I knew I wanted a bob, not a short bob, like I guess a longer bob. So you measure them and then you just begin cutting where you want them to fall. So after I completed the right side, I then completed the left side, and I made sure that I was measuring each time, measuring them against one another so that I made sure that they were even, and it came out perfectly. Now you already know, baby hers. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and share. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the summer. Peace.